Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to open yourself to being inspired by the clouds. Perhaps on a particular day or at a particular time, but I kind of rather like to do this over some period, weeks maybe. Maybe read some poetry that includes clouds. Certainly looking at the clouds, perhaps feeling the clouds if you're up in the mountains. And then seeing what that may tell us about our Tàijíquán, or what that inspiration may allow us to experience in our Tàijíquán. We talk about wave hands like clouds, but what about the rest of the being? What does the waving of the hands? What does it even mean to wave hands like clouds? And there's so many different types of clouds. Directions, movements, colors, styles, Some of them are fairly common. Some go kind of unnoticed because they're sort of every day. But seek some inspiration in the clouds. And then, pass on that inspiration to friends and family. The world needs some Tai Chi.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.